Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now in today's video it's going to be hopefully saving you some time and some money on buying new cables. Now on some self-propelled mowers you get a plastic sealed bracket where both cables go into. So if one cable snaps or something goes wrong with the other one, then to replace it you have to replace both cables. So I've sorted out a little trick and a little tip for you how to get around that, because I turned a self-propelled mower into a push mower because the axle had gone and I couldn't get the cable off. But let's go show you how I've done it. Right, okay, this is the bracket here. Now these are already off because I've taken them off already. This one's the control handle one, which so you can start it, and this one here is the self-drive cable. Now this is the bracket what I was talking about. It's a sealed unit and both of these cables are somehow glued inside there, so if you have to replace them, one of them you need to take it off and you've got to replace the whole lot, two of them, so that costs you double in price. So let's take it apart and then I'll show you what I did. Right, it's just a 10mm socket, so we'll take this off. It just comes off there. Right, so this is what I'm talking about. Inside there, as you can see, right, it's sealed, it's fixed. There's no way, so even if you did manage to try and pull this cable out of there, you still won't be able to get this out because it doesn't pull, because you've got this L-shaped connector to it. So simply, all I virtually did is I stuck a Stanley knife blade inside there, simple as, with, if I can got the Stanley blade here with me, I did have it, no, right, I'll go and get it. Right, okay, I've got the camera as close as I can on this. As you can see, I've already done this one. So all I basically did was I've got the Stanley knife blade. First of all, with a knife, which is still in my drawer, but I've got a blade. Remember, these things are sharp, so please wear normally gloves, but I don't have them. But all I did was gently made a line, just cut a line very slowly on there, and then I just put that onto there, inside that, and literally gently pushed it down like that, back and forward sometimes, until it goes in through to the hole there. Yeah, and then it's open. And then, because it's quite tight as well, all I did, I've got a screwdriver inside there. Like that. And I prised it away from the cable, which then we had to get a pair of pliers, which I had to. You had no choice because it's glued inside. Prise it out like that. But then, so you can do that unless you cut into there. You can't get these out of there because of this little connector. So all it really does is pulls out. It's coming out this side instead, so and then get your screwdriver inside there, prise it open, and then it'll come out. That's it, simply done. Now to put these back, simple, same sort of way. Try not bend these up like I did, but they do go back. And then to put them back, it's the same way. All you do is prise it open with the screwdriver, get one part in, and then push that in. Here's the screwdriver, pushing it in, and it's done. And then all you basically do is inside there is twisting it in, pushing it in. You can glue that back in. This one's split a bit, glue it back in, and then if you really want to, you can leave it like that, because it ain't going nowhere on the bar either. You can re-glue that. Just put a clamp on it with some super glue. Don't use too much so you don't get the cable itself, and that's a quick fix. Take it out again, because this one's not going back on it at all, because I don't use it. But then I've got myself a nice spare cable to use on a leather mower. Oh, where's that gone off? There you are, quick easy fix. So if I could do that, I'm sure a lot of people out there can do that themselves. It's an easy fix, so you can sort them out, no problems about that. Now then, I want to give a couple of shout outs. First one is my good friend Mixed Mowers. Great little channel with little Riley boy. So if you haven't seen him before, go and check him out. And also Jacko's Small Engine Repair. Great fella, he's doing some nice little projects now. He's getting on with it, and go and check him as well. And the other one I've got to tell you, I've just come across this one today, and his name's Ben Elliott. He's a fella that's in a wheelchair, and he does loads of sort of stuff, and he's even fixing lawnmowers in a wheelchair, and good luck on him. And he also said he's going to be doing some other engine stuff as well. So please, I will leave a indication of where to find him in the comments there. So go and check him out, Ben Elliott. Sounds like a good bloke, and he's getting on with it, with his life, even though he's in a wheelchair. So anyway, if you like this video and you want to see some more of my videos, please subscribe, give us a like, and hit that little notification bell. And till next time, cheerio.